Hey guys, in this video, today we're going to be unpacking this 1/10 scale brushless HSP drifter. Let's crack it open and see what we got. Right, so in the box we got some nice stickers here that we're going to use to put on the car. These are just optional stickers, so they don't come on the car obviously, but yeah, you can just put those on. Got some more stickers here. Some of these have already been put on, such as the windows and stuff like that. So yeah, just move that out the way. Right, so just going to pull the plastic off the car. There we have it, the car. I think it looks pretty nice. I like the nice colours on it. So yeah, this here is the charging cable. It probably plugs into the charger. Just get the charger out. That's the charger. It's a EVPIC E3 charger. It seemed like a pretty decent one. So yeah, we'll try that out later. Here's the car. Let's try and get this out. So this is pretty much everything you get in the box. You get a instruction manual, charger, radio, and of course the car. So I'm just gonna open up the cover and have a look inside. Of course, for the radio you're gonna have to provide 8 AA batteries. They'll just go in there. Have a look inside. So inside we have the battery. Just get the battery out, have a look at it. This is a 4200 mAh LiPo battery, 35C, 7.4 volts. Seems pretty good. This should just plug into the charger, that obviously to the car. So yeah. Having a closer look at the chassis here, which ESC, brushless motor, switch, servo, and receiver. Looks pretty compact and solid. Should run well. Gonna have an in-depth look at this chassis, this build. So you can see here we got the shock absorbers. They feel very, very nice. It's a very smooth feel to it. Drift tires, motor, ESC. WP10BL50 RTR waterproof ESC. It's very nice. HSP receiver. E601 servo. So yeah, looks very nice. Nice soft foam bumper in the front there. Rear suspension. So yeah, I'm just gonna charge up the battery and take it for a test drive. Right, so it's all charged up. Let's go give it a test drive. I've never actually had a drift car before, but it's actually a lot of fun. The car seemed to go very well. I liked all the nice, I don't know, driftiness of it. It seemed to handle itself really well. It did get some nice good speed. It was nice and quiet as well. It wasn't that noisy. There is quite a bit of wear on the tyres, but that's normal. So yeah, this is a very nice car. I would recommend it if you wanted to go buy it. So yeah, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next